Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Whitney, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I like to exfoliate my lips. So if your lips are dry, like mine currently are, chapped and whatnot, then you might find this video helpful. Also, you should have these items around your house, or they can just be interchangeable. You'll see. So let's get started. So first, you will need some coffee grounds. Okay, so a lot of people have coffee laying around. Not laying around, you know, that's just all over the house. That's kind of weird, but maybe you do have coffee laying around. But yeah, so this is just another way to kind of recycle and keep everything going. You can also use this as a regular exfoliator. So obviously this one has been run through the coffee machine. And I'm just kind of opening this. There we go. All right, and I've got a little bowl here. I'm just gonna add some in here. It doesn't really matter how much you put in there. Well, I guess depending on how big your lips are and maybe like how chapped they are, it might matter. So if you don't have coffee grounds, you can always use sugar. You could use salt too, but I don't suggest doing that. That would burn. Yeah, I just prefer to use coffee grounds because, you know, it's reusing the stuff and it's softer than sugar. So yeah, with the rest of this, you can go ahead and use it as a regular exfoliator. So now I've got some castor oil. And you can use any type of oil. Well, not like motor oil, you wouldn't want to do that. So I guess I wouldn't say any type of oil, but you could use castor oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, even olive oil. Heck, you could even use vegetable oil. I mean, you want to have something that's going to be nourishing and is easy to glide across your lips. So just added a bit there. And I've got a baby spoon. And I'm just gonna mix this. You guys, fun fact, my husband actually got me these baby spoons when I had my wisdom teeth taken out. I could barely fit this freaking spoon in my mouth. It was terrible. It was horrible. I have not. So hey, sorry about that, guys. My memory card ran out of space, and so I had to stop. I forgot where I was. So yeah, like I think it was at the dentist. I haven't been to the dentist in a long time. Well, not a long. Well, it's been a while. This is what we're looking like. Kind of interesting. Okay, so I'm sorry, guys. This is gonna be kind of gross. I'm gonna give you a close-up. Yeah, I had some skin on my lip tear off, and yeah. Okay, so let's do this. I'm just taking my finger. Oops, I don't know where that went. I go in circular motions. And you want to do this for about 2 minutes. Don't press too hard, just be gentle with it. Let the coffee grounds do the work. Oh my god. Let the coffee grounds do the work, you guys. Don't forget to like kind of get in here a little bit. At the corners of your, I look ridiculous, at the corners of your mouth. Okay, now I'm just kind of getting it all over my face. I've got like way too much on, but that's okay. Oh God, I got way too much. Oh yes, doesn't that look delicious? Yes, I got it out of my teeth. Oh. I got some toilet paper here. And yeah. Otherwise, I would normally rinse it off in the sink. I really looked like a baby, like eating chocolate cake or something. Actually, no, never mind. I'm gonna say do this at night before you brush your teeth because, yeah, sometimes you get some coffee grounds in there. Yeah, so. Wow, that feels so much better. I've been meaning to do this video for you guys for a long time, so it's just my lips were not chapped, and so I needed to get them very, very chapped. So you guys are welcome. I hope you really appreciate me for doing this. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah, so it's not. Oh my God. That's tissue, that's not, that's not chapped lip. Okay, so I know they don't look perfect, but they feel a heck of a lot better. And my God, they feel so much better. Oh my God. Using that castor oil definitely does make them feel a lot softer. So now what I would do after this is go ahead and put some chapstick on, or some Aquaphor, or some lip oil, or even if you want, go ahead and add that castor oil or whatever oil you used. You want to make sure right after doing this that your lips are still going to be moisturized, because you got that excess layer off, and you don't want this layer to become chapped. So yeah. You guys, do you like my background? So it was supposed to be for, I almost said Halloween. It was supposed to be for, the cats are running around. It was supposed to be for Valentine's Day. I don't know why I couldn't think of the name. But, well, yeah, I did have it up for Valentine's Day, but I didn't film a video for then. So, like I said, it's been a long, okay, I'm just rambling now. All right. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this video. Thanks, guys. I will see you in the next video. Later, freaks. What's that? Oops. I had a smoothie and an Oreo earlier. Oh my God, what happened to my... I had a towel. You guys, I found it. I had set the bowl on top of it. Oops, I don't know where that went. Oh my God, I didn't, okay, I was just, there was some mixture from my exfoliator that was here, and I don't know how long that's, like, if you guys noticed it or anything, but I just didn't notice it until now. And yes, I'm applying makeup for my next video, So yeah, my face looks, yeah, anyways. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited to be doing this. Feels like I haven't been in front of the camera forever. Well, hello there, beautiful. I'm Whitney and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. No. Hello there, beautiful. My name is Whitney, for those of you who don't know. Hey there, beautiful. Hello there, beautiful. Welcome to my channel. No. I told you, it's been forever since I've done this.